Okay, so let's do the market recap today. It's only 2:30. We cannot wait until the close of the market. We have to leave the building because of the evacuation orders. So
sounds good.
We have to do this a little earlier today. Hopefully nothing major happens for the rest of the day. So yesterday you said there might be a big pullback in the market, but in fact what happened is we rallied. Why did that happen?
Good question. A couple things. One, yes, we are going to close Shine's room early today because we are expecting a big storm in the northeast. Second, yesterday we talked about a big downward move in the marketplace. So we were down 170 points yesterday, and in the early morning, early trading, probably about 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock, after the Jackson Hole release, we were down almost 200 points. So we had a really nice pull-in, and people got paid who was short on the overnight. The turnaround came after the news came out and no actions were taken, which we translated pretty instantaneously as a positive in the marketplace, that we're not in such despair that we needed all sorts of throwing water onto the fire. And we ended up rallying from there. Not only did we rally from there, we called the exact bottom. We gave an exact detail on here's what's going to happen. We're going to rally 200 points off the bottom. We rallied 350 points off the bottom for an extended rally, extended push out. All the stocks, all the names we were looking at continue to rally higher. Even bank names that have been totally trashed as of recent. So we did have the pull-in first, which was expected, and then a total prediction of the market to go higher. And we've actually been getting a lot of feedback, a lot of positive feedback on the exact call today on the market rally. So thanks for anybody who sent in to us a good testimonial.
Yeah, you called the bottom right on, so that was good. So did you make some money on it?
I did. I made some money. When
Which stock was your best today?
Best name today was some of the bank names between Citigroup and Bank of America, some of the Qs, and some of the financial names. Really my best name. I accumulated some profit today on the day. One lesson we learned is when you're right, you can never be too right. So when it's there, one of the things that good traders do as part of the education that we continue to provide is that you must be able to step it up when you're right and you feel good. So one of the comments, one of the testimonials that came in was somebody said that they felt like the market was going to go up, but with the confirmation and with the support of our live trading broadcast, they were able to really feel confident in their positions, and they ended up making a ton of money on it. And that's what we do for people. We sort of give them that confidence and clear market depiction of what's going on.
And nature was acting up this week because with the earthquake and now the hurricane is coming. Do you think this has any bearing on the market action?
We put together a little market insight on our website. Once again at shinesroom.com. We had a blog that was written, and the blog really talked about certain names and certain sectors that would benefit from some wild weather that we've been having. So for example, we talked about Lowe's and Home Depot, talked about some of the natural gas names. We talked about some of the potential negative action on some of the insurance stocks that may have a problem. Then we talked about how insurance stocks actually may benefit from something like this, as they could raise their premium and make all their money back, plus if there is actually damage out there. So we do try to cover all the inside of different areas of the market before anybody else talks about it, and really live in real time, and before any other news service or anything will come out with the insight.
Any particular expectations for Monday, the next week?
Monday next week, Monday probably slow if we do get a big storm. Probably be up about, 10, 12, maybe 15 inches of rain on Monday, but we should have this put in a nice little floor into the marketplace. Just remember, what makes the market go higher is when you grab the bears and you squeeze them until they become bulls. And when people become bullish, the market goes higher. So right now, the bears and the bulls are fighting it out. This week, the bulls won out. So we're going to wait to see next week, next chapter. It is exciting out there. There's a lot of action out there, and we just watch tick by tick, action by action, minute by minute.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.